Good morning, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. So we have discussed about why filters are important and what is the difference between Power Query filters and Power View filters. Power Query filters where you're going to be using the filters to clean the data. But here, the filters are going to be used to get the top five, brands, to get the top five cities where the sales is high, or you wanted to show category of bikes, what is the sales. If you wanted to have this kind of a filtering and perform some aggregations, means we are going to be using power view level filters. So there is a compulsory in interview question, what are filters and how many types of filters we have. So that is the question, and the answer would be we have visualization level filter, then we have page wise filter, then we have report level filter, then we have drill through filter. So you need to tell these four filters. These are the types of the filters. Chalo. So today, let us talk about hierarchy and drilling down. So what is a drilling down and why we need to create a hierarchy? Let us understand. Okay. So drill through we discussed, right? So today we'll talk about drilling down. And if you wanted to create a drilling down report, for that, you have to create a hierarchies first. Okay. If you create a hierarchy, then only you can have drill down reports can be created. Now, what is the hierarchy? What is the purpose of hierarchy? I have just now told you. What is the purpose of hierarchy? Hierarchy is, to create a drilling down report. But what is a drilling down report? We will discuss. Before that, let us understand what is a hierarchy. Hierarchy means organizing the related dimension values in the proper order. So that is what is called hierarchy. For example, I have a year. So below that, I have a semester. I have a quarter, right? Within the quarter, I have a month. So within the month, I have a week. Within the week, I have a day. So this is what is called hierarchy. So all this is what is called dimensional value. It is what is called a time dimension. But I am organizing everything in the proper manner from highest value to smallest value. Clear? You cannot say hierarchy will be day first, then last will be here. That is not the one. Hierarchy always will have highest value first, smallest value down, and you have to maintain in the proper order. So this is what is called order. So this is what is called hierarchy. Clear? So what is hierarchy means? Order or organize the values. What values? Dimension values, not the fact values. What is a dimension? Dimension means, I told you, a textual data or a number data. On the number, you will not be able to perform aggregations. For example, you will not take 2005 and 2006. You don't do any plus operation, minus operation, or divide operation, or into or multiply operation, right? So these things we will not be able to do, even though it is a number. So this is called as a dimensional data. I have a quantity 120, 130. The total quantity is 250, where I will be able to perform plus, minus, divide and multiply operation. So this is a number, but where you will be able to perform the aggregations. So this kind of a data is called as a factor data, even though it is a number, and where you don't perform all these operations. This is what is called a dimensional data. So dimension means it could be a number data, could be a textual data, could be date and time data, where you cannot perform aggregations, right? So dimension and the fact, these two are the keywords coming from data warehousing. So data warehouse will have a dimensional data or the fact data. So dimensional data means a textual data, fact data means numerical data. Plus on top of that, you should be able to perform all these aggregations, plus, minus, divide, into, and whatever you would like to do, multiply, everything. If you want to perform, you should be able to perform on this data. Clear? So what is a hierarchy? Hierarchy means organizing the related dimensional data in the proper order from highest to lowest. from highest to lowest. For example, I take a dimension called a location, right? If you take a location, I wanted to organize the data. First one is the country level data. And before that, you can have a continent wise also. You can have continent. Within the continent, you can have country. Based on the data availability, you can create country wise data. Within the country, I wanted to have a state provision data. So within that, I can have city wise data. Below that, you can have towns, villages, blah, blah, blah. You can organize the data from highest to smallest, not in the reverse order. You cannot say, let me create a city first, then state, or let me put the country, then let me put state. You're not organizing in the proper order. You're not organizing in the proper order. Hierarchy means organize the data in the proper order. That is to related values. Country, state, city, all of them are related to a location, or you can also have a pin code, right? All these are related to what location, and you need to organize the highest to smallest. Remember that highest value to smallest value. Why we are going to be organizing? Because much more time your customer is going to be telling you, tell me country wise, state wise, city wise sales, or they'll ask you year wise, semester wise, month wise, this wise, that wise data. So they will ask you all of them. You will be able to get a plus button. When you open the plus button, the states will get opened. When you click on the states, you will get the city of that state. So that is what is a advantage of the creating a dimension. Clear? So dimension tables will have the hierarchies. Why? Because if I create a hierarchy, then only I can see the visualization like this. Clear? I wanted to have city-wise data. For example, country, I will get India. Okay. So I click on the plus button. India, I may have a lot of states. AP, you have a TS, blah, blah, blah. When you click on, so complete India sales is 109 billion sales. Okay. When you click on this, only as of now, the two states the sales is going on here, 51 and remaining 58 billion sales is here. When you click on the AP, then you will be able to get AP is a state, right? So TS is one more state. When you open this, you will be able to get individual towns. Okay, you have 3 towns or the cities where the sales is happening, where you have 4 cities where the sales is happening. So you will be able to see 20 here, 10 here, another 10 here, 40, then remaining 18 in the 4th city. Like that, you will be able to see. When you click on this, you will be able to get different seats. When you collapse this, it will go back. Great. You will be able to see country level sales. Then when you open, you will be able to see, state level sales. When you open this plus button, you will be able to see the individual cities, and opposite to that, you will be able to get the data. So whatever the customer wanted to have, everything is available within this. Otherwise, he has to ask for 3 reports. Tell me city-wise data, report number 1. Tell me second visualization, state-wise data. Third visualization, city-wise data. Then they'll say, combine all these reports and show me one visualization. You will go mad, right? So they'll ask you country-wise sales in one report. They'll ask you city-wise, state-wise sales in one report. And they'll ask you city-wise sales in one more report. Then they'll ask you, combine all the data, create one visualization and give it to me. So that is where you can use a hierarchy and drilling down. So drilling down report, you will be able to have only one report. So individual, instead of creating individual reports, you can create a one report where all of them are available. So that is the advantage of a drilling down report and hierarchy. Clear? So I discussed about what is a hierarchy, and with the help of hierarchy, we can create a drilling down report, right? So hierarchies and drilling down reports. So types of hierarchies there are 2 types. One is called system defined. So that is already given by the system. Let me open Power BI, and I want you to understand system defined hierarchy. Then user defined hierarchy means that we are going to be creating on based on our requirements. So I wanted to quickly take the data from the adventure works table. I wanted to load the data into the Power BI. Okay. So I can take, customer table, products table, any table, you can just have it. There is no problem. So you can just, remove this as of now. I'm going to be taking customer products sales. Let me load the data. Now, so apply changes. All the data is being loaded where? In the RAM of my computer, right? So please wait. All the data got loaded. You will be able to see number of rows, right? When you click on this, you can see number of rows in this table. So you have 18,484 rows. Okay. Now again, you can click on the products table. Only 379 rows are available. Sales table you have. So how many rows you have? So in the sales table, you have 60,398 rows are available. But all this data got loaded from where? From Excel, right? Once you load the data, so again, when you close this, all the data will be removed from the RAM. Again, whenever you open this report, again, the data will be loaded to the RAM. Remember, so RAM data means it is not a permanent data. When you shut down your computer, the RAM data will be deleted. When you again open this report, the RAM data will be again loaded from the Excel sheet. It is compulsorily that you need to have your Excel sheet. You cannot say, I'll delete this means, it cannot load the data once again. So that is what is important. Chalo. So now I wanted to go and create some visualizations. So before that, I would like to show you some hierarchies. So when you see any date and a time hierarchy, for example, I go to customer table. So this is what is my data in the customer table. There is a birth date, right? When you open, there is a hierarchy got created. Have you seen this? Now, date hierarchy, have you seen this? It is automatic. Year-wise, quarter-wise, month-wise, day-wise data, you can get it. Clear? So, whenever you see any date and time data, Power BI is going to be creating a hierarchies. So, this is what is called system-defined hierarchy, right? This I did not create. Let me go to sales table. So whenever you see any date and time column, you will be able to get like this date hierarchy. Now I can get year wise, quarter wise, month wise, day wise data. If you wanted to visualize, you should be able to visualize like that. Clear? So when you go to order a date, I will be able to get year wise, quarter wise, month wise, day wise data. Clear? So this is a sigma symbol order date. It is sigma. It is a ship date. When you open this, you will be able to get year-wise, quarter-wise, month-wise, day-wise. So whenever you see any date and time data, predefined hierarchies are created. Why this? Because you can easily get the any kind of a hierarchy that is visible, any kind of a drilling down that is visible. But I wanted to create one more hierarchy. When I go to products table, so category, within the category, we can have product, subcategory. Within that, you can have a product name. So I would like to create a product category, category wise, subcategory wise, and I have to see the products. Now tell me, I can organize this data. What is this data? This is a dimension product data. I can organize, but unfortunately, Power BI did not create any hierarchy, but Power BI is going to be creating a hierarchy only for the date and time columns. Clear? Date and time columns, it will create user defined hierarchy. Why hierarchy it has to create? Because tomorrow, if you wanted to create a drilling down report, year wise, semester wise, like that, so you can simply, you should not waste your time, drag and drop this hierarchy within the visualization, and you will be able to see a beautiful report. Am I clear? So I don't want to have drilling down report. Means hierarchy is not compulsory, but I wanted to create a category wise, subcategory wise, product wise hierarchy. So how to create it is very, very simple. You have to go to the products table, right click on this, and you need to say create a hierarchy. Where is that? somewhere you will be able to have manage, delete, not here, right? So click on the column name. Sorry, click on the column name. You should be able to say uh, hierarchy or new group, something, it will be there. So create hierarchy. Have you seen this? The second one itself, create a hierarchy. So where is that I need to click? I have to click on the highest value. What is the highest value category? Click on this, right click and create a hierarchy. Now, as soon as create a hierarchy, the name is there, then the column is also added in this. Now again, go to the second column, right click on this. Now create a hierarchy or add to the existing hierarchy. I don't want to create a new one. I wanted to add to the existing hierarchy. I create this. So the category within that subcategory, now you go to the product name. Now you should be able to add to the hierarchy. Now you will be able to get. So this is one hierarchy that I have created. Now I wanted to change this name, category name hierarchy. Simply I rename this to product hierarchy, right? That is the beautiful thing. Prod hierarchy or a product hierarchy. I'm able to create my user defined hierarchy. Now, why we need to create a hierarchy? Because I wanted to create a drilling down report. So if you don't want to create a drill down report, so what is that you should do? Let me create some, close this. I have some sales data. Sales amount is there. Now, click on this, go to borders and everything, go to effects. Now give the border and shadow. Now Control C and Control V. I click on this, I will delete and add a tax amount, right? Now somebody asking me to create what is called as a category wise sales. Okay. So I want to have a category wise sales. I take some visualization. I wanted to have a category wise sales. Let me go and apply this borders and everything. Where is the category? Category is here. The sales, I wanted to go and get the data like this. So this is a category wise sales, right? So you can click on this, go to a formatting and add data label. You will be able to see bikes category is doing good. Now I will take Control C and Control V. So I wanted to go to the second one and remove the category. And in that, I wanted to place a subcategory. So where is subcategory? Subcategory is available here. So this is category wise sales, and below that we have a subcategory wise sales. Then below that Control C and Control V, I wanted to have in that third one, delete the subcategory and delete a product name. So where is the product name? That is available. So if you create, you can create, there is no harm. But okay, so when you click on the bikes category, when you click on this, you will be able to see within the bikes only, you will be able to see all its subcategories. And within that, you can see all the, products of that bikes. Then you can just go back and click on the accessories. Now everything is going to change, right? So this is how you will be able to see that whenever it is highlighting, this is the product of this. But now the customer is telling you, why Bhaskar, you're creating 1, 2, 3 visualizations and it is more confusing. And because I would like to see category wise, subcategory wise, product wise data, you are giving me a data like this. This is more confusing. Okay. I don't want to have like that. I would like to create only one visualization. Show everything in that. Show everything in that means what you do, you are going to be going here, drag and drop the same visualization. So before that, you must create a hierarchy. So whether you have the hierarchy is not, you need to check. So the hierarchy is available here. Now what you have to do, you have to drag and drop the hierarchy first. Drag and drop the hierarchy. Now afterwards, you have to drag and drop what is called sales amount. That's it. When you drag and drop a sales amount and hierarchy, you will be able to get a beautiful, this one. This is what is called a drilling down report. If you understand what I have added, category, subcategory, product, not the single value, 3 columns it got added. Now it is going to be giving you lot of data. And on top of that, you can see few things got added. So this is what is called drilling down. Clear? So drilling down is added. These are the couple of menu options. Why drilling down is created? Because you created a hierarchy. Because of this hierarchy, the drilling down is created. Okay. So this is what is called going up, coming to the next. Like that, you will have couple of options. Okay. Let us talk about what is this, what is this, what is this, and what is this. Filter already we had seen what is the use for the filter already. We knew it. So when you create a hierarchy and drag and drop the hierarchy into the a visualization. So visualization is going to be showing a hierarchy menu, and you need to understand what is this, what is this, what is this, and what is this. Let us see one by one. If you wanted to go down means category level data is this. The next one is a subcategory. Category here, the next one is called subcategory, right? Now you need to just click on this. You will be able to get what? So go to the next is this. Go to the next level in the hierarchy. This is what is called next. Okay. So this is what is called, you go to the next. Clear? So this is the one you need to click, and to next go up, you need to use this. Okay. Up means you are somewhere here. Go next means it will show you category wise. After that, subcategory wise. When you click on the next, this is the next button, you need to see product name wise data. So let me go and click on this. Simply click on this. Now you will be able to see road bikes, mountain bikes, everything, and it is able to show you. Now you see the setting, subcategory name, right? Sum of sales amount by subcategory. Clear? So now this is got also enabled. Now let us click on this. Now you see the name category wise sales. Have you seen this? Category 28 million. When you click on this, I go to the subcategory. So 14.5 and blah, blah, blah. When you again come down, the last one is called product name. Clear? It is going to be giving you everything. Why these are completely, disabled? Because you don't have the data after the product. Again, you can just go up. So subcategory, go up category. So you know what is this and what is this. These two you understood clearly. So this is to go up. This is to go down. Clear? Go to the next level. I wanted to show you the data. So when you have a drilling down, so this is very, very simple. Drag and drop hierarchy, a drilling down report is created. So only circus is that you have to create the hierarchy. Now you should know how to use this and how to use this. So all the three visualizations are combined, and you have 1, 2, 3 visualizations are put together, and everything is in this only. You have to simply come down and come down. So I would like to show you year-wise data, semester-wise data, month-wise data, like that. I wanted to have it. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to again take the same report. Okay, I would like to have the same report. Now already there is an order date. When you go to order date, there is a hierarchy. Already hierarchy is created. So in the hierarchy, what all you have? Year, quarter, month, day. So that is already there. So simply you drag and drop the sales amount, your hierarchy got created. Now you tell me, it is very, very easy to create. So system is already given the hierarchy. You're simply dragging and dropping. Everything is ready. When you go, why the border is not available? Let me go to the border and have the effects. Now you see, automatically this is up, this is down. So you will be able to see whatever it got added. Year wise, quarter wise, month wise, day wise data. Now when you click on this, you're supposed to get quarter wise sales. Now quarter wise sales, right? Let me use like this. Okay, it will be better. So this kind of a report we can have. This is the year wise data. Year wise 2005, 6 and 7. This one I dragged and dropped it. Now year wise data. So each year, what is the sales? Now you have to come down to the next level. What is the next level? Year, quarter. You click on this. So this is the quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 data. Now the next level is month wise. Month wise means January, February, March, April, May. Next one is called day wise data. So each day it is going to be giving you like this. Now you go up, it is a month wise data. You go up, it is quarter wise data. Go up year wise data, it is got disabled. So going up and coming down is very, very easy. You may ask me, sir, what is this one? Okay, what is this one? And what is this one I wanted to have? Okay, so let us understand one by one. Let us talk about this. This is what is called I wanted to pinpoint something. For example, now you tell me I am there in the year wise. Now 2005, 6, 7, 4 years data I have it. When I go to the next, now I'm able to get the quarter one data, quarter two data, quarter three. Now tell me which year of the quarter? Which year of the quarter? It is all quarters from all years, because 2005 you have, then you have 6 and 7, 8. So the quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four from all years is accumulated. So it is also 2005, 6, 7, 8, all quarter two data is got accumulated. It is not 1 year of quarter one. It is not the same year of quarter two. It is all years quarter three, quarter four. So this is the data is irrelevant many times. I wanted to pinpoint only one. I wanted to only see this year, or I would like to only see this year quarter one, quarter two data, but not all years quarter ones and everything. So I wanted to pinpoint. What should I do? You have to go back. Now I wanted to go and click to turn on drilling down. You need to turn on this. Okay, so click on this. When you click, now I am in 2005 and 6 and 7. What is that you wanted to see? Which year data you wanted to see? You click on 2006 data. Now you see, you will be able to get 2006 quarter one data. Now you see 2006 quarter two day, because when you go up, 2006 totally 6.5 million. When you go to the next level, because this is on, when you click on this, don't go to directly here, click on this. When you click on this, you will be able to see quarter one. When you click on the quarter one, you will be able to see Jan, Feb, March of quarter one. When you click on January, it is going to be giving 1, 2, 3, 4, something like this, because within the month you have the day. Clear? So if you want to go up, you can go up like that, go up like that. Now this time, I wanted to drilling to only this year. Click on this. Now click on the quarter three. Quarter one, quarter two is not there because there is no sales in the quarter one and quarter two. Quarter three, 1.4 million, 4-5 million. You will be able to see July, August, September, and September each day, how is the sales. If you wanted to come up, drill up, and drill up. So when you switch it on, you need to click on this. When you click like this, it is able to get all the data. But remember, so choose one thing. I need to choose this and click on this, like that. When this is on, you're pointing to only that year. Which year you're pointing to? 2007, quarter three, August. You're talking about only one. So if you remove this, if you switch off this, then you can go and see all his data, and you can just go back and switch off. Right? So this is what is called, you can pinpoint to one thing. Pinpoint to one thing means only this data I would like to see. Only this year data I would like to see. If you don't switch it on, you will not be able to go to the next level. So switch on. When you click on this, you will be able to go to the next level. If you remove and click on this, no action is going to be happening. Clear? So we discussed about, so what is this and what is this and what is this? Let us talk about this. Okay. So this will show you and which year sales and which quarter sales very, very neatly. Just go up, and this is my data. Now this is my data. Now I am clicking on this, what is called expand all down one level in the hierarchy. It is going to be showing like this. Click on this. Now we can say clearly it is showing it is a quarter 5 from here to here. Okay, quarter 5, Q3, Q4 data. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, Q4 of this data. It is expanding everything so that you are not confused. Now it is quarter 7 data, like this. Okay. Now, 2007 data, quarter 1, quarter 2, 3, 4. It is going to be expanding neatly so that you don't have any issues. This is quarter 1 and quarter 2 of quarter 3 of this one. Quarter 4 is not available because the business is closed. Business is started in the quarter 3 and ended in the quarter number 3 of 2008. So this is going to be expanding. When you again expand this, see what happens. Okay. Now we can expand. So within the, this is what is called quarter. This is year number, then quarter number, and within that July, August, September, again you want to expand. So you will be able to see 2005 quarter 3 and July data. Now afterwards you have August data. All the data is shown from top to bottom. Clear? So yes, go up, go up, go up. Clear, guys? So this is how we should be able to create a hierarchy. Hierarchy, if you create you will be able to get the beautiful drilling down. So what is a drilling up? What is a, drilling down? And if you wanted to point to only 1 year, simply click on this. Now click on this. I wanted to point to this August, like that. Just again, go back, go back, go back, and delete. And click on this. It is going to be expanding each and everything. If you don't expand it, simply it will go to next. But this will be quarter 1 of all years, quarter 2 of all years. This is not the right thing. I wanted to use either this or I wanted to drilling down. Let me on, and you can click on this. Okay, so like that, you should be able to have this data and you should be able to work with this. Okay, guys. So this is what is called drilling down and drilling through and drilling down. So drilling through means what? Jumping from one report to another or one page to another is drilling through. Compulsory interview question. What is a drill through? Drill through means jumping. Okay, drilling through is a filter. It is jumping from one page to another by using a filter. So you take filter, so you will be able to jump. So this is what is called jumping. So drilling through. What is a drilling down? Drilling down means what? Showing the data in the organized way in the same report. You're not going to be jumping anywhere. Okay. Display the data in the organized manner or organized way. Like, so the example you can quote. So I would like to have the year-wise sales. Then I want to have semester-wise, quarter-wise, blah, blah, blah. If you wanted to create like this, now definitely you will be able to go to the drilling down. You're not going to be jumping anywhere. You're not going to be jumping anywhere. So it is going to be, instead of showing 3 to 4 reports, because otherwise we have to create 3-4 reports like this, you will go mad. So you'll create category wise, subcategory wise, product wise. Instead of showing all the data in different visualizations, you create a single visualization and show everything in the proper manner. Okay. So this is user-defined hierarchy, system-defined hierarchy. To create a hierarchy, we must have a related dimensions, category, subcategory, product, country, state, city. Dimensions may have 0 to more hierarchies. It is not only one hierarchy. Sometimes you have 0 hierarchies. Sometimes you have more hierarchies also available to the dimension table. So tomorrow we'll talk about what is the need for the more dimensions. Okay. So dimensions may have hierarchies, but you may have 0 or more. So let's talk about this concept in tomorrow. So what is a dimension? What is a system defined hierarchy? All these things we discuss and we will continue in tomorrow's class. Okay. So drilling down options. Hierarchy means arranging the column values in the proper order. So related dimensions in the highest to smallest. Clear? So all these things we discussed and tomorrow we'll continue further.